gusts at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Truckton, Yoder, Ellicott, and Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.